Looking for a simple and lazy way to film your videos? Well, I have a solution for you. I'm all about keeping it simple and convenient. Hi there, Paigon here. In this week's video, I'm going to show you the simple way I film my videos using a webcam. Well, I film all my videos with a webcam or my phone, even though I own a Canon. The reason why I don't use my Canon is because I would have to set it up. Well, it's not like I'm shooting a movie. These are just videos for YouTube, so I just like to use a webcam. Webcams are simple to set up and I don't have to move it or take it down, so it's super convenient. The webcam that I use is made by Logitech. I'll go ahead and add the link to it in the description box down below. So here's the behind the scenes look at my camera setup. Usually if I'm on a call with a client or a coffee chat, I'll leave this camera on my desktop. But if I'm filming for YouTube, then I'll go ahead and use a tripod. The reason for this is because I want to control my background. Since my office is in the corner of my game room, I want to control what you see behind me. Basically, I want to have an area that looks somewhat pretty. Also, because of where the window is and because I use the ring light, this setup for the webcam is perfect for me. It's also easier to control light since I use a combination of natural light and the ring light, so it's easier to control lighting this way. You can watch my video on lighting. I'll try to leave it in the description box down below, or I'll try to add a card to this video. I guess it might be up here somewhere. Then once I'm ready to start recording, I'll use QuickTime to film my videos. I'll just hit the new movie option in QuickTimes. Aren't you happy that I said QuickTimes instead of QuickBook? This was super simple, right? There's not really a big setup or takedown, so it's super convenient to just start filming. What equipment do you use to film your videos? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video and want to catch my upcoming videos, hit subscribe, and until next week, bye.